Hello viewers, today we will learn a lesson from first flight of class 10, and this lesson basically talks about a letter to God by G.L. Quaintz. He is a Mexican writer. He is also a novelist, a well popular and a renewable writer. Now, this story basically talks about faith. The concept of faith is discussed in this story. Now, various times we say faith can move mountain. Now here, when you talk about faith, faith is good, but not only human being, we must have trust on human being also. The central character of this story is about Lencho. Now Lencho, who is Lencho? Lencho is a farmer. Lencho is a farmer. And it's all about he will write a letter to God. Because why? Because his crops was ruined or destroyed. How much help he wanted from God? He helped. He wanted help from God about 100 pesos. What is pesos? Pesos is Mexican unit. Because already I have told you that writer is a Mexican writer. Okay. Now, the central character of this story is about Lencho, and this story is revolving all about him and his faith. Lencho and his faith. Faith on God. Faith on God. Now let's see about it. Then writer G.L. Quaintz talking about that he had unshakable faith on God. Who had? Lencho. Lencho had unshakable faith on God, that he believed that whatever I will ask to God, and God will give me that amount of help. Okay, and he had that unshakable faith on God. So he was a poor farmer, and he always depended on his crops. खेत में जो फसल होता है उसके ऊपर हमेशा वो डिपेंड करता था. Okay, so he was always depends on his crops. So whenever they had a good harvest, good crops, so he had happiness in his life, and he could sell and earn some money. With that money he used to run his family. So from the crops he used to earn money, and with that money he used to run his family. Because why? Because he was a poor farmer. Okay. Now he always wanted a good harvest. Then what happened? He was waiting for the rain. Okay. So harvest was almost ripened. It was almost about to cut. But the thing was that there was needed of a shower. Once rain was needed, and he was expecting that it will rain. Okay, and he was waiting for the rain. But it so happened, rain started. But here the main contrast of the story, the rain started so much that even it became flooded, it became a hailstorm with heavy wind. Okay, with heavy wind, strong winds, and that destroyed his whole crops. Kiska? Lencho's crops. Okay. So from his soul, he was very much sad. He was filled with sadness, and he was not able to sleep. A sign of not. Okay. He was not able to sleep. He was not able to eat anything. He was always thinking that how I will run my family, how I will manage my family. I am in distress. How I will do anything. Okay, because the only hope is the good harvest to run his family, because he was a poor farmer. Now crops are destroyed. Crops are destroyed. So how to run the family? Okay, and he was very much disappointed, very much broken in the heart. Okay. Then what happened? Then the idea, the concept of God comes to his mind, and then what he thinks of it? He thinks that God sees everything. The existence of God, if I believe, so I do believe that God sees everything. See, if God sees everything, then also God saw that my crops are destroyed because of strong wind, because of the hailstorm. So what he did, he thought of to write a letter to God. He write a letter to God. Okay, and then he requested, dear God, please send me 100 pesos, Mexican unit. Pesos means Mexican unit, 100 pesos, because my crops, my harvest is destroyed. Okay, and I am not able to eat, not able to sleep. My family will be starving. I will not able to run my family. So send me some money, amount of money, 100 pesos. So he demanded, he requested 100 pesos. Okay. Then what happened? And he posted the letter. Main contrast come here. What is the address of God? What is the address of God? So उसका पता नहीं था. हम लोग को भी पता नहीं है. Okay. So he wrote in address to God. That's all. And from Lencho inside some of the things he wrote. But the main concept was that he demanded, he requested for 100 pesos. Pesos is Mexican unit. Okay. So when employees saw the letter, in the post box, they were amused, they were shocked, they were thinking, "Arey yaar, itna vishwas hai." Okay, how much unshakable faith on God that he is writing a letter to God, addressing him, telling that I need 100 pesos because my crops are destroyed and I am not able to run my family. So the employees took the letter to postmaster. When postmaster saw, they were all shocked, they were amused. Okay, then what they thought? अरे इनका तो बहुत विश्वास है, तो कुछ करते हैं. He had lot of faith. So if we don't do anything for him, then his faith, उसका जो विश्वास है भगवान के ऊपर, वो वाला भी खत्म हो जाएगा. इसलिए क्या किया वो लोग? Certain amount of money they collected. Certain amount of money, around 70 pesos. Around 70 pesos they collected, and they sent it to Lencho's address. So finally, the money reached. The Lencho saw and counted. There was in the envelope, there was only 70 pesos. Lencho was not happy at all because he requested for 100 pesos, but he received only 70 pesos. Okay, and he was very much again angry. He was sad, and he thought that God is honest. इसलिए तो हम God को विश्वास करते हैं, ईमानदार है. लेकिन God ऐसा काम नहीं करेगा. God might have sent 100 rupees, 100 pesos, but वहाँ पे जो एम्प्लॉयज रहते हैं, जो पोस्टमास्टर है, उन लोग क्या किया? मेरा पैसा गायब कर दिया. ओके, खाली ले लिया. ओके. Then what he did? Then he wrote again a letter to God seeking another 30 pesos. So he wrote letter and he was telling that God send me another 30 pesos, because in the end also he was mentioning, God, please don't send pesos from or through the postmaster, because postmaster employees are a bunch of crooks. Bunch of crooks means dishonest. They are not honest. They take my money. So who said by? Lencho said this. Okay. Now dear students, if you see the employees and postmaster, they helped only Leng Chu, and Leng Chu is blaming them, telling them bunch of crooks. It's really very sad. If we believe on God and we don't believe on a human being, that it's useless. So first you trust human being, because human beings are the media to help each other. So that's the mistake here Leng Chu did. Okay, Leng Chu made a very rough statement by telling that a bunch of crooks. Okay, a bunch of crooks. That really signifies that how much ungrateful he was. When he received 70 pesos, he could have little common sense. How God will send 100 pesos? This is sent by the postmaster. So he was not grateful at all. Rather, he was blaming, he was accusing the employees and the postmaster. Okay, dear students, stay connected. I will send you the summary, important questions, answers, all about in the WhatsApp group. Okay, and stay tuned for many more videos. Write your queries in the comment box. Thank you.